Friends, welcome to s.mathguru classes. Now today we start the new topics Bernoulli's equation. That means equation reducible to linear form. Equation equations reducible to linear form. So some problems we have which is not linear. So we convert in linear form. Then after converting linear form we can easily solve this problem. So the equation dy dx plus py q y to the power n. We know linear differential equation dy dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are functions of x only or constant. So here also we have dy dx py q y to the power n. P and q are functions of x only or constant. But here we have one extra factor. Y to the power n is the extra factor. If we comparing this, we get extra factor is y to the power n. For this factor, we get, so the equation name of this equation is Bernoulli's equation. So we convert this equation to linear form in the form of this. After converting, we can easily solve this. So how to convert this? Here p and q constant or functions of x only. This is our main criminal. For this we get equation is Bernoulli. If this is removed, then this will be linear. Suppose this one absent, we get linear. So this is our main criminal. We divide both side by y to the power n. So if we divide both side by y to the power n, we get y by y to the power n. This will be q. This is 1 by y to the power n dy dx plus p, this power is 1 minus n, this is q. We get this one. Now let y to the power 1 minus n equal to z. We consider this. If we differentiate both sides with respect to x, we get dz dx, and this is using chain rule 1 minus n dy dx equal to dz dx. This is 1 minus n y to the power minus n, we get dy dx equal to dz dx. Now this will be 1 by y to the power n dy dx equal to 1 by 1 minus n dz dx. We get this one. Now we consider this one is z, and this we get 1 by n this. Now write down this. This we can write 1 by 1 minus n dz dx plus p z equal to q, and we multiplying by 1 minus n dz dx p 1 minus n z equal to q 1 minus n. So ultimately we get in the form of this dy dx py equal to q. P means this one p, and q means this is whole is q. So obviously this is linear form, which is linear differential equation. This is linear differential. From this we can easily find integrating factor and solution also. So first our target, for which factor we get Bernoulli. This is the most criminal. Then for this we get Bernoulli's equation and divide both sides by this, and taking this one is z, and ultimately substitute, we get our linear form. This is the linear form, and from this we can easily find the. Consider one problem. x dy dx plus y log y equal to x y e to the power x. So this is a problem. Now solution for linear differential equation, the dy dx coefficient must be 1. We divide both sides by x. Then y by x log y, this is y, it will be x cancel, we get this. But in right hand side it should be x in linear differential equation, but here you get extra factor y. So obviously this is Bernoulli's differential equation. For y this is the most criminal. For this we get Bernoulli. If this one absent we get linear. So dividing both side by y. If we dividing both side by y we get 1 by y dy dx, and dividing by y cancel 1 by x log y equal to e to the power x. We get this. So after dividing by y we get this. But our target to convert in linear form. So let log y equal to z. We differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get this. If we write directly 1 by y dy dx, this is dz dx. We get this one. So 1 by y dy dx equal to dz dx and log y means z. So we putting here, this is dz dx and 1 by x, this one z e to the power x. Obviously this is linear differential equation because the linear differential equation is dy dx plus py equal to q, we know. Dy dx, this is z, in place of y you get z, this is p and this is q. So this is linear, which is linear. Now you have to find integrating factor e to the power p dx, and this is e to the power p means 1 by x dx, this is e to the power log x, and this will be x. Required solution, solution is y means z into if, q into if and dx plus c. Z into if means just we get x, and q means right hand side, x e to the power x, and if means x dx plus c. We get this one. Now we integrating by parts. This one, if we using by parts formula, this is z x, and this will be by parts formula x e to the power x dx minus the dx of x e to the power x dx into dx. By using by parts formula we get this, and z means log y, this is x, integration e to the power x means x, and this is 1 ddx of x1, this is x e to the power x dx, and this will be x e to the power x minus integration e to the power x means e to the power x plus c plus c plus c. So this implies x log y equal to x minus 1 e to the power x plus c. We get this one. So this is the final answer of the given problem. X log y equal to, taking e to the power x common, and this is the x minus 1 e to the power x plus c. is the final answer of the given problem. Another problem, dy dx minus 10y by 1 plus x equal to 1 plus x e to the power x sec y. So this is the problem. Again, I recall the linear differential equation dy dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are functions of x only or constant. But this is almost same. Dy dx, this is xy mix up and this is x. But this is the most criminal. For this is Bernoulli's differential equation. So we anyhow we remove this sec y. Sec y we remove, then ultimately we get linear. So dividing both sides by sec y, we get 1 by sec y dy dx 10y by sec y 1 by 1 plus x. This is 1 plus x e to the power x. We get this. And 1 by sec means cos y. And 10 means sine by cos. And sec means 1 by cos into 1 by 1 plus x. This is 1 plus x e to the power x. And this is cos y dy dx, cos cancel, sin y 1 by 1 plus x e to the power x. Obviously this is we remove this Bernoulli differential equation. Now we remove to convert in linear differential equation. So let sin y equal to z. The dx of sin y dz dx, this is cos y dy dx equal to dz dx. So this implies this is dz dx minus this one sin y means z 1 by 1 plus x 1 plus x e to the power x. So obviously this is linear differential equation, linear in the form of this dy dx py equal to q. P means this is p minus this p and this one q. This is linear, which is linear differential equation. Now we find integrating factor. Now if integrating factor e to the power p dx, these are formula. P means minus 1 by 1 plus x dx, and this is e to the power minus log 1 plus x e to the power log 1 by 1 plus x, and this is 1 by 1 plus x again. This base e same, then answer is this, and minus log means 1 by this, we can write this. So this is our integrating factor. Now required solution. Solution is here z into integrating factor q into integrating factor dx plus c. So we get this z if means 1 by 1 plus x and q means 1 plus x e to the power x. If means 1 by 1 plus x dx plus c. We get this one. So z means sin y. This is sin y by 1 plus x, and these two are cancelled, e to the power x dx plus c. So this implies sin y by 1 plus x, this is e to the power x plus c. We can multiply 1 plus x on right hand side or keeping here also, no problem, and this is the final answer. So these are very interesting problem, very easy problem, very nice solution. So I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.